everyone, it's Miss Katie. Today we are going to do a really simple cooking activity. We're going to make a cup of easy macaroni and cheese. This is a great skill for some older middle school or high school students that are maybe working on independent living skills because it's really easy to make Easy Mac. That's why it's called Easy Mac. This is also a great skill, or cooking in general is a great skill to work on sequencing because there's a certain order you have to follow everything in. So stay tuned. We're gonna make some Easy Mac and cheese. Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Julia Childs. Today we're going to be making easy macaroni and cheese. It's a staple everyone should have in their pantry. This is the cup that I have, and I've blurred out the logo so I don't violate anybody's copyrights. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel off the lid here. Just like this, very gently, just peel it off. And we'll just go ahead and throw that one away. Our next step is to take out the packet of cheese. We'll put that aside for later use. After we've removed our cheese packets, we're going to put water in our macaroni to help it cook. There's a little line on the inside of the cup, and that's where you should fill it to, no more. For people who might have a hard time seeing the line, a very easy, nice trick would be to go in and use a Sharpie or a marker and just make a little note. That way you don't fill it up too much. Then we're going to go over here to the microwave. As you can see, I've got just a standard microwave, nothing special. And the box says, or the packet says, to cook it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find my 3, the number 3, and I'm going to push it. And then I'm going to add 30 seconds to get 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And now, no masterpiece is instantaneous, so we just have to wait it out for the microwave to cook. My microwave has beeped, indicating the food is ready. And you might want to be careful, it could be a bit hot, so you just test it a bit. And it's alright, so I'm going to grab it. And then I'm going to come over here, and I've got my cheese packet ready. And I find that it's easier to use a pair of scissors to open it, but you can use your fingers, whatever you have. And then I'm going to take the cheese sauce and squeeze it right in. That's nice. Look at that sauce. And once I've gotten most of my sauce in, I'm going to come over here, throw it away in a minute. I'm going to get a spoon, and I'm just going to stir it right in. And now, if you want to be extra on this step, you can add some butter or cream or anything that you'd like that you think would make this taste a bit better. If you have fresh cheese, grated cheese, you could add that in here as well. But I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Stir it briskly to get the cheese really in there with the noodles. And when you're done, it should just look like this. It should look very nice. The noodles are cooked and the cheese has been incorporated. And then, you could eat right from this cup, but I'm going to get a bowl because we're having a nice lunch today. And I'm going to put it in the bowl and serve it up. And now it's ready to eat and enjoy. Thank you so much. This has been Macaroni and Cheese with Julia Childs. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to drop a comment in the box if you would like another special cameo or guest appearance from someone, or any suggestions for lessons are also welcome. Thanks guys, see you later, bye.
This has been a Broken Toys studio production.